me mama kwa baby misa video me do be ko website bi a ebe ma wakonya ma watimi obohu adwuma bebre wo ho at the same time. So you were adwuma bi wo ho a be subscribe to YouTube channel or subscribe to YouTube channel na ye twa aka at the same time. So obetimi a comment under our video I said there no more chaka adwuma no dɔso adwuma more than 200 ɛwɔ hɔ ɛna ebiem yɛ service bi wɔ akɔkɔyɛ a ebetimi ama wo sika bebree nti saa website we website bi a 20 Ghana cedis and 30 Ghana cedis dey say utimi make it free. Of course mokai the last time ya made website bi buy me video file about Pico workers. Until okay Pico workers are way similar to Pico workers. And now here Pico workers now. Omu use me Pico workers link na they apply. It's me bua me meet me who almost sika do omo ayene pachata senti. Ohe video na me create by ni pardon na timi ene more than 15,000 Ghana cedis. That's this kind of 150 million. Until just in case of me creative video say bana Ghana for the net me making more than 150 million na. Not just a video no so I then abam fast. Enti na masan the website we aka ho nti obetime ye adwuma both Pico workers and our website here me dey brawi. Nti yes say me no me fam come phone no na me sure how our website ni timi faso ye adwuma. Website ni dey the Juma workers say Pico workers we Juma workers. Nti uba Juma workers na betime about how it works. About how it works are employers. And see no only employer anti or they call no I am a worker. Oh baby me about no I am a worker. You were installing and testing apps with me. I install apps or be test apps out at the same time so be complete some micro taxi be also say oh cause subscribe to YouTube channel or subscribe to YouTube channel yeah make sure and I will answer surveys. There was so many ways about me first when yes kawaha into about get started. Obo get started ebe ma kwanya ma wa sign up to webo first name last name then what you see the keka home me the link be to video we ask into bo so e do be ha straight into we apply or apply we me dey can apply into me be sign in and to log in wow we video wa kwa sign up we no e do be ba omo dashboard ha and you say new jobs are available every few hours. First na me check in 260 by is about 251. Into her job will say visit site watch video. You be can pay jobs you hear ni pardon na ye be brave. Into her job will also obe join channel be e with Discord t sa channel no unless wa join or join e be aka $0.05 US. And it is see no a nipa 194 or penipa 200 no more joining. She say nipa 194 and no more joining. Eya pay adwuma na emfa woni nto sika no abon de ba say adwuma we be ma 0.15 no. Ebitima ba say ubetimi aye jobs bi a eye 0.04 several times na sa adwuma we 0.15 na hu sika no wo so no na untimi wie say adwuma no. Ko hwe say adwuma we a oso openipa 43 until 43 no still ano nipa ba akokra ntimi complete his job ni wie until that means say adwuma bi e da ho sa until o say visit website and we here adwuma we are very simple kakra say visit website and sign up until sign up nipa 66 no more complete until o member sa job we o say international until me work Ghana handle na che say meet me aye until oba ha say ya I bet you dear or expect it from you or say please follow the instructions below carefully to complete paid. See or say follow into a copy link you know paste then no pin or pin then no sign it up. We are take a screenshot be na what best submit proof or now submit proof. See almost verify no one so BBI come or mood scan about to account anymore. See here my N is $0.000. But my kind reviews now about websites way reviews in your cool. And see, yes, I could different one. Your micro jobs waha, micro jobs one T or by say paid surveys office. Until we have a completed surveys, I say until wait me about it was with be wait me be download the apps be knock bob games city. Be about survey way. Or so many ways about me any scabby or I say. You're more in say refer and get $2. Until o refer be ban any pani be near Juma Ubenya commission then was until ubetima refer amount for abaha omo be use link no omo use link ne sign up obenya sika enti uye obi a uta follow me videos na me ye ba Pico workers no was a similar what say video na enti ubetimi a check Pico workers we are no a check one enti uye more Pico workers now ye adwuma wa ha sei enti at least if a week ni be kwa we no what me make $7 cra na what make it half $4 and a half $2 $7 more than 100 citizens at least what me make it kakakra what me nyes kan nyina wie no beba request withdrawal I think say na very important money pardon na oba request withdrawal withdrawal no mienu na ewa ha no na ebe yisu ye wo Ethereum or na wo Litecoin Ethereum na Litecoin no we nipa bia wo hwe video na wo Binance account minim se wa hwe video we no wa follow me channel na chebia no do na wo Binance account oba be bo Litecoin no you wo minisika or nti se me wo sika wo wanka bon se be ba ha say but threshold na wo say you need to have minimum of $6 before you can request a withdrawal. Into ko Binance one no so ko choose Litecoin no choose Litecoin na no copy your address no paste wa ha o paste wa ha very simple very simple wow share video no wait me akoko search wo YouTube how to send crypto to someone o share sa video na obehu how a ubetimi afa so follow sa process no do $6 na at the same time me video la withdrawal na say the me video about Pico workers no trust me say have a video about withdrawal make sika ye adwuma na pesika ni go ho video ni ba wana so obetimi find way say me say betimi withdraw e beto Binance dia obetimi withdraw afa momo very simple but I recommend say obe withdraw afa Ethereum na Litecoin say dey betimi about Binance wo cause say USDT na cost 20 usika ne be den e be cost and at the same time so you obi a wo job bi wo ho a e bia o YouTube channel bi na wo pese Ghana for do na be subscribe ya nti no ne say oba betimi abebo add job obo add job no provide the how person padona enye follow say the oh ebia obi a be subscribe to me YouTube channel ni bia no memma ne 1 Ghana cedi ubetria at least 100 Ghana cedis e de ama Juma workers no nti obi obe we obe submit proof a obe approve bia no memma ne 1 cedi pa chet nti on meche says can de amomo na Juma for no so ate o commission nti the same as adwuma na akwakoye wo se de obi be submit a okoya no chase kan mamo gidi se video be bo ama wate enoma bi ase wo question bi wo a opese wo mi sabetimi levi e de ato video we ase but ade me name say we ni very simple we obi a ota follow me videos a say we familiar ma se de obetimi follow atimi de a any sika se de video ya bo na video na nkwa mo ba no kwa e chenwe me bo a kese e share bi